Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2010 Mitsubishi Shogun in metallic grey finish with a 18-inch of Mitsubishi alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition, and as you can see it's got side steps and roof rails. This is a 4x4 4-wheel drive and it is a 7-seater. We just fitted the tow bar. It can be removed if you wish, and it's got rear parking sensors and a side opening tailgate. The rear two seats, they can be removed as well. Rockford acoustic design. This is the subwoofer. In the front view of the vehicle, it's got front forks and headlamp washers. Also, it's got the luggage cover. I just took it off for the video purposes. It's got full black leather interior in very good condition with 7 headrests. I'll show you the seats from this side. I believe it's got rear center armrest. I'm just gonna have a look quickly. There we go. So it's got rear center armrest with some cup holders. A very good size of a legroom. And for your safety, it's got front and side airbags and rear ones as well, sorry. So basically it's got front, side and rear airbags. It's got on the steering wheel. The side airbags are on the side of the seats, and the rear ones, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see, are in the both corners. It's got speakers on the rear doors, tweets, a child lock, so here we have the electric windows, and on the side we have the folding mirrors. It's got twin electric seats with electric lumbar support. Automatic transmission. The driving selection mode. It's got 2-wheel, 4-wheel. A multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the right hand side. And then here in the middle it's got some cup holders, a center armrest with some storage departments. It's got heated seats, a 2-volt power outlet. Right now is a cigarette lighter plugged in. Some storage departments in there. Air conditioning with a climate control. It's got Rockford acoustic design sound system, as I mentioned before. A touchscreen satellite navigation. Then it's got a reversing camera. I forgot to mention that on the tailgate. Auxiliary and a AM/FM radio and a MP3 CD player. by the way, is a DVD as well, so you can watch DVD movies on the screen. There is the auxiliary. It's got auto rear view dimming mirror and a tilt and side kind of. It's not a sunroof, not a panoramic roof. It's in the middle. I can call it like the whole sunroof. Oh, it may be a panoramic roof though. And in the glove box we have the owner's manual. You can have a look under the bonnet. And by the way, it's got xenon headlights as well. This was the video walk around of the 2010 Mitsubishi Shogun. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.